Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you basic part design in Catia. So let's start. Firstly, go to start and select part design, name it as you want, click OK, and then select the plane which you want to design. So let us first draw a L shape without giving any dimensions. So then now give the dimension from constraint dialog box. It is 22. It is 15. After this, we have to allow the symmetry, so that select the first line here and the second one, and right click and allow symmetry line above the axis. So it is done. Now exit sketch and go to pad. Now type a length of 32 mm and mirror extend it. Now select a plane for the pocket and select the project 3D element and do the construction lines. Again select 3D element, construction lines are on, and select the edges which you want as a reference. Now draw the pocket without giving any dimensions. Give the dimensions to it. Next it is 30. And the angle between these two lines is 60 degree. So give it 60. Okay. Then next it is also 60. It is 60. Oh, okay. Now let's close this construction. Firstly make it symmetric about the axis, and then close it connection by taking a line, draw as. Now exit the sketch and do the pocket. Sketch and just type the depth as 100 mm. Okay. Then now we just draw a rib. So select the plane where to rib is and construct the reference lines first, and then draw an inclined line with that references, and now give the dimensions. Oops, it's 75 from bottom. So let's delete it and give the dimensions from downward to upward. Yes, here it is 40. Okay. size for this. Type it 70. Okay. Right click, delete it. Exit sketcher. And go to stiffener. Stiffener and give the thickness of 12. And it's done. Neutral fiber is essential. Now we need a chamfer, so select the edges where to chamfer it and select the mode length to length and give the length at 16 mm and another one is at 16 mm. So preview it and okay. Here our part is done. So guys, if you like it, press like button and must subscribe for the next designing videos. Thank you.